Hey guys, I'm super excited about today's news. My Arts Printables Etsy course is now available for everyone. So if you want to learn how to make passive income even while you sleep by selling art printables on Etsy, this is the course for you. Make sure that you join today for a low price. Now the price will be going up throughout the year because I'm going to be adding additional lessons to the course. I'm going to be adding lessons like how to use Facebook for your Etsy business, how to use Instagram for your Etsy business, how to do it yourself projects that you could sell on Etsy. And I'll be showing you step by step how to do those projects. So this is going to be the one-stop course where you learn not only how to sell printables on Etsy, but how to market yourself on social media platforms. So if you're looking for a course that's going to help you scale your business to the next level, this is the course for you. So make sure that you click below to learn more about it.